Ever had your scooter act like a ghost, running fine, then suddenly sputtering and dying, only to start up again a few minutes later? That frustrating problem often points to a sneaky culprit: a clogged fuel filter. This issue can leave you stranded, scratching your head, and wondering what's going on. Let's dive into why this happens and what you can do about it. Imagine your scooter's engine as a hungry beast, constantly demanding fuel to run. The fuel filter is like a gatekeeper, a crucial component that ensures only clean fuel gets through. Think of it as a microscopic sieve, diligently working to protect your engine from harmful particles. Over time, however, tiny particles of dirt, rust, and debris accumulate within the filter, gradually restricting the flow of fuel. These contaminants come from various sources, including the fuel tank itself, the fuel lines, and even the environment. When the engine starts, it runs smoothly, initially drawing on the readily available fuel. But as the filter becomes more clogged, the engine slowly starves of fuel, unable to get the required amount to maintain its operation. This is precisely why your scooter runs for about 5 minutes then dies. After it dies, you might wait 10 minutes, right? Then, it starts again, at least for a while. This is because, after the engine stalls, some residual fuel may still be present in the system. The engine cools down slightly, and any remaining fuel might slowly trickle through the clogged filter for a short while, allowing it to start again, though it will likely run poorly. The waiting period gives the fuel a chance to, essentially, seep through the blockage. But the cycle of sputtering, dying, and restarting repeats itself as the filter continues to restrict fuel flow. It's a frustrating, almost ghostly experience. To really understand what's happening and to properly diagnose this issue, let's take a closer look at a clogged fuel filter. When you inspect a problematic fuel filter, you'll likely observe a significant amount of dark, dirty fuel coming out when you disconnect the fuel lines. This is a clear visual sign that the filter has effectively done its job of trapping contaminants over time. The color can range from a murky brown to a near black hue, depending on the severity of the clogging and the nature of the debris. However, if the filter is too clogged, it eventually starves the engine of the fuel it needs to function correctly. So, what's the solution to this recurring problem? Replacing the fuel filter is usually the easiest and most effective fix. The fuel filter is designed as a disposable item, and it's engineered to be replaced. Be sure to purchase the correct filter, specifically designed for your scooter model, as different models and engine designs can have varying filter requirements. The replacement process is typically straightforward, though the exact steps might vary slightly depending on your scooter's specific design. First, carefully locate your fuel filter. It's usually found along the fuel line, somewhere between the fuel tank and the carburetor or fuel injection system. Disconnect the fuel line, taking care to catch any spilled fuel with a suitable container or absorbent cloth. This will minimize mess and prevent fuel from contaminating the environment. Then, remove the old, clogged filter and dispose of it responsibly. Install the new filter, ensuring the fuel flow direction is correct, as indicated by the arrows or markings on the filter itself. This is crucial for optimal performance. Reconnect the fuel lines securely, and then start your scooter. If the problem is resolved, your scooter should start immediately and run smoothly, without sputtering or dying. Regular fuel filter replacement is a simple, proactive, and surprisingly effective way to keep your scooter running at its best. It's an essential maintenance task. So, if you're experiencing this frustrating ghost problem of intermittent stalling and restarting, don't ignore it or simply live with it. Check your fuel filter, and consider the possibility that a simple replacement might be the key to getting your scooter back on the road, running smoothly and reliably.